In a recent interview with Karan Thapar, one of India's finest and veteran lawyer Dushyant Dave, while breaking into tears, says by permitting surveys of mosques in India, former Chief Justice of India, Justice Chandrachud, has done a great disservice to the constitution and to this country. Dave, who is a senior lawyer and former president of the Supreme Court Bar Association, says of Justice Chandrachud, he is playing in the hands of somebody, and later, when specifically asked whether he means the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, he replied, "No doubt about it." While critics are blaming former CJI D.Y. Chandrachud for killings in UP's Sambhal and the Hindus' nationalist claim over mosques, critics accuse Chandrachud of opening the floodgates of the Places of Worship Act of 1991 with his Gyanvapi judgment. They argue this has made it easier for lower courts with Hindutva inclinations to order investigations into the existence of temple beneath mosques. Chandrachud's legacy. Gyanvapi, Madura Eidgah, now Sambhal Mosque, 5 young lives lost in police firing. Is the former CJI listening? Does he care? Asked Communist Party of India Politburo member Subhashini Ali. The Places of Worship Act 1991 is an act to prohibit conversation of any place of worship and to provide for the maintenance of the religious character of any place of worship as it existed on August 15, 1947, and 4 matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. The act had been passed against the backdrop of communal strife that had enveloped India in the wake of demolition of the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya in 1992. The criticism arose due to his involvement in judicial decisions that were believed to have opened the door for actions like the survey of Shahi Jama Masjid, following Hindutva groups' allegation that the Mughals demolished a temple to build the historic mosque. In August 2023, the Supreme Court bench comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud allowed the Archaeological Survey of India to conduct a scientific survey of the Gyanvapi Mosque premises, rejecting the contention of the Muslim litigants. The survey was first ordered by a Varanasi district court on July 21st on a petition by a group of Hindu litigants seeking the right to hold prayers inside the mosque compound. During the hearing on the Gyanvapi case in October 2023, Chandrachud had orally remarked in court in response to the contention that the Gyanvapi suit was barred by 1991 Act. The Act says you can't alter or convert the nature of the place. They are not seeking conversion of the place. The question is, what is the status of the place as of August 15, 1947? This is in contrast to the stance on 1991 Act taken in Ayodhya judgment, which was co-signed by Chandrachud. In August 2021, 5 Hindu devotees filed a plea before a Varanasi civil court seeking permission to offer daily prayers at the Gyanvapi Mosque, which the devotees claim house several Hindu deities. When this was appealed by the Mosque Committee, the Supreme Court on May 17 last year directed that Muslims be allowed to access and worship in the mosque. It also transferred the case to a district court in Varanasi, ordering the court to decide first on the maintainability of the street. Bharatiya Janata Party leader and advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay in 2020 also filed a petition before the Supreme Court challenging the constitutionality of 1991 law. In 2022, CJI Chandrachud-led Supreme Court bench accepted the petition challenging the constitutionality of the Act. The bench also granted the Union government more time to file an affidavit in response to the petition. In December 2023 also, the Supreme Court refused to stay the Allahabad High Court's order allowing a survey to be conducted Shahi Eidgah Mosque in Madura, Uttar Pradesh, to examine whether the mosque is built on a temple. Earlier, the Supreme Court had greenlit a similar survey to be carried out at the Gyanvapi Mosque in Varanasi by refusing to interfere in Allahabad High Court's order permitting the same. Many Muslim groups, journalists, academics, opposition leaders, and lawyers have alleged that D.Y. Chandrachud has made it easier for anyone to demand a survey of mosques, thereby paving the way for turmoil by weakening the Places of Worship Act of 1991, which was intended to provide closure to such anti-Muslim camps. Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra posted on X, and I quote, "No Chief Justice, DYC, we didn't expect you to do opposition's job. We expected you to do your job and uphold our constitution and laws, not throw out places of worship Act 1991 and allow every mosque to be dug up by every Sangeet Shame.